There's some tiny screws I pulled off the camera equipment yesterday that I'm gonna need. And because I put them in logjam. What is logjam? Logjam is Tom Sachs's term for all the crap in your shop that is too valuable to just throw in the garbage and not valuable enough to continue to sort it into all the bins it goes in. That's logjam. So this is my logjam. There's a million different categories represented here, and many of them have a place, but it just takes me a while to get around to putting them in that place. Happens in every shop. Time to commit. 632, right? It's a 632. Yeah. Okay, so that's the through drill. That's it. Just going to be moving some of these.
Sure.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Coming along. Just a few more parts and pieces. We want to tear up the bottom of this a little bit.
Yep.
Because it's a little beat up as you pointed out.
Yep.
So go ahead and take a pair of scissors and work on that guy. However, I'm gonna steal, here, I'm just gonna give you this.
Okay.
And I'm gonna steal this and make this attached to you. Because that's gotta work. Right, he has no arms, good.
I am going to probably hit this with a little bit of brown spray paint just to give it some weathering at the bottom here. To make it look like it's been through some mud or some dirt.
This is this furious last-minute sewing. I guarantee you there are hundreds of attendees of Silicon Valley Comic-Con going through this right at this very moment. You know what this is called? It's called The Storm Before the Con. Ah! I can't be the first one to come up with that. Ooh, I need your help here for a second. Yep. I just want to make 2 marks. If you'd put that on, we're gonna secure this on you with some ties, and I just need to mark where those go. So this one will come across. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, so. Excuse me, sir.
So I imagine this guy has been through seen some good battles, and has been through some stuff, especially seeing the scene in The Force Awakens when Rey was having that dream sequence. Took place in the rain. So I would imagine that his clothes are pretty beat up and weathered and seen some good damage.
So go ahead and put that on. Yeah. There you go. Collar's good. So one side ties to the inside, so you can do that with a bow. Go ahead and just tie it up. This is how a real kendo outfit goes. So now the question is, where does that sit? And the answer is probably right about there. Okay.
Nice.
There you go. go. Oh, that's it. Go. Now, get the hood up and Velcro and, yeah, a note. It sticks to itself. Velcro. Nice. Yeah.
I can wear a belt, and then if...
Do you have a belt?
I have this belt that I'm wearing now. It's gray. It's pretty dark.
Now I have a black belt.
Okay.
That we can put that I can make an aluminum piece that looks like that buckle in the picture.
Okay.
And that would go right there and be that little,
centerpiece.
That little centerpiece right there.
Okay.
At the top of your That's looking really good.
Feels good.
I'm gonna go down. There you go. Okay. Okay. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Here we go.
Right now I'm just putting some foam. Sweet.
I mean, often I would spend more time making it more polished, but these guys are,
It looks just like the one in the reference picture.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna drill a hole here and here, here and here, and do a little coat hanger.
Sweet.
Yeah, nice. It's like I'm getting a round of applause. That is the most narcissistic way to interpret that sound. Good. That's it. There's one. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. There it is. I'm very pleased with that. Here you go.
Sweet.
So, I think what you would do is, you would almost do the buckling onto the side. Go through all the loops of the pants, but right here up front. Mm-hmm. That's the visual. This is the actual.
Got it.
And there you go. Oh, right. It's time. I don't need my contact lenses to try this costume on. I mean, I need them to wear it around, but I think it's time for us to get dressed.
Okay.
Is that really true? Is it really time to get dressed? That's really awesome.
We did good.
It's been like 4 days of solid plugging away, and I feel like it is almost time. Okay.
Are you ready?
I think so. Let's do it.
All right.
Goes like that. Yes. Dude, I think this is working. I can barely see. It's all really foggy in here because my glasses are fogging up. But I suspect, here, come on over. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
All right, man. That's your shoulder, right?
Yep.
We'll see you guys in Silicon Valley.